Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate fondant at home. First, melt 4 ounces of good quality dark chocolate with 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Gently fold the melted chocolate mixture into the egg mixture, then sift in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now let's get mixing. Carefully combine your melted chocolate and butter with the egg and sugar mixture. Be sure to fold in the 2 tablespoons of flour gently to avoid overmixing, which can make your fondants tough. Pour the batter into your 4 prepared ramekins, filling each about 2/3 full. Bake them in your preheated oven for 12 to 14 minutes. You want the edges set but the center still wonderfully molten. Once baked, carefully invert your warm chocolate fondants onto serving plates. A light dusting of powdered sugar or a few fresh raspberries makes a beautiful presentation. For an extra special treat, serve them with a scoop of vanilla bean ice cream. You can also experiment with different types of chocolate, like milk chocolate, or add a touch of espresso powder or orange zest to the batter for unique flavor profiles. Here are some final tips for perfect fondants. The key is not to overbake. A slightly wobbly center means it's perfectly gooey inside. If they stick, gently run a thin knife around the edges before inverting. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals. You can even prepare the batter ahead of time and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, baking fresh when you're ready for a warm, decadent dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.